What's up, my royal flush? It is RJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. In today's video, I'm about to be reviewing the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy, the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, the new one that just came out. I have a little sample size from Sephora because I want to try it out and demo it for you guys. So that's what kind of particular video it is today. So if that's something you guys want to look into, and if y'all are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed with my future uploads, and go ahead and hit that bell notification button as well to be notified for my future uploads. And give this video a big thumbs up because that really helps more than y'all think. It helps so much more than y'all think. Please give this video a big thumbs up, please, 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 please. And with that being said, let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
So first, I'm about to prep my skin with the Hangover 3-in-1 primer, setting spray, thing like that. I know I said I really didn't like it like that, but I'm about to try it as a primer today, actually. Ooh. Ooh. It's like the pump on this, like, cause this is the $15 size, you know, before they get in the big one. I think they have a bigger spray nozzle on this just so you waste more product so you can actually come and rebuy it. So that's what I think. Next, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Professional Primer. Y'all already know, like, I've been using this primer for too long. I'm about to put that everywhere. Now I notice when I use this too, like, the foundation sticks more. Now let's just go in with the foundation. Y'all, I don't color correct anymore. Just in case y'all was wondering. The fuck, did she even give me a fucking sample of this shit? What the hell is this? Okay. I matched myself pretty well. Might be like a little bit too yellow, but I don't give a fuck. So this is a Radiant foundation. I'm about to just do my brows off camera real quick just to save some time, y'all. Why does this look so orange on me? What the hell? I'm in a shade Moena, I think. That's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Y'all's looking really good. Like, just for my, like, just from foundation application, not the color, okay? But it's looking really, really good. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try to fix this with some concealer. And for my concealer today, I'm about to go in with, of course, my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and try to balance this out. Okay, you guys, since I just set basically the center of my face, I'm about to take my LA Girl Pro face powder in the color True Bronze, and I'm going to set the rest of my face, also bringing back some color. For contour today, I'm going to take, of course, my Morphe Bronzer palette, duo, and Celebrate, and swirl that around and just go in. Perfect contour shade. It's so gray, but not too gray on me. For bronzer today, y'all, I'm about to be trying the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. It don't really look deep, but bronze glow, I guess. Oh, it is. It's pretty. That is, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Like, y'all gotta go get this bronzer. Like, what the hell? Like, if y'all can fit this shade, this is called the Deep bronzer, and this is a perfect bronzer for me. So if y'all around my skin tone, they don't come darker, sadly. So I'm sorry to let y'all know, you know, if y'all are deeper than I am, they don't come darker. If y'all around my skin tone, y'all want to try a good drugstore bronzer, try this. And for blush today, of course, I'm going to go in with my Milani Dolce Pink blush. Oh, and this adds a little sheen as well, and it's really pretty. Nose contour today, I'm going to go back in with that Morphe Duo and take the little deeper shade right here and just go at it on my nose. For nose highlight, you guys want to take my BH Spotlight highlight palette and take the lightest shade in there called Ethereal, and I'm going to just put that on the tip of my nose. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to just go pop on some lashes real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm about to dust off all this powder. I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash Clear Eyelash Gel, and I'm going to run that through my brows. For setting spray today, I'm going to go in with my Hangover 3-in-1 Primer setting spray. Y'all can't, this palette do not play. It comes to everybody, like. And for lips today, I'm going to go in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in Nibble. I really enjoy Morphe liquid lipsticks. They're pretty, they're actually really good. And for a final set, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. The foundation looks really, really pretty after I, of course, had to fix it up with some concealer. And the lashes that I'm wearing are Dodo lashes. A review for these lashes will be up after this video, so on the Monday that's coming up, you guys will see a review on these lashes. But this foundation sat really well on my skin, even though like it took really well to my nose, It was full coverage, like it said. Like, you know, even when I used it with a sponge, I could tell it was full coverage. You know, it's not like I couldn't see my mole right here. If you guys don't really know, I have a mole right here. I really couldn't see any dark marks or anything like that. So yeah, I would say this foundation is a definite banger. If I had the money, I would definitely buy it. So maybe next time I'm going to maybe buy it, probably get a shade lighter, so I don't really have to go really ham with the concealer like I did today. So the foundation looks really well. It's not like a wear test, it's just me trying it out, trying to see how I like it. The next foundation review I'm going to actually do is the Kat Von D foundation, and then maybe like the Fenty foundation later on. I'm going to do like a foundation Friday, yo. I'm going to do like a foundation Friday where it's like every Friday me trying a new foundation. I want to do that. I know it's not original. I know someone else came up with it, but I really don't care. I mean, they don't really own. Why do I look so Asian? I look very Asian in the monitor. I look really, really Asian, but in person I don't look that Asian. But I think it's the lashes. The lashes made me look really Asian. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Also, hit the subscribe button if you guys like this video. If you guys like me, if you guys like my attitude, if you guys like my positivity, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next